We are in Munster, Texas. It's about a 2-hour drive for us to get here, but we get a top quality all natural feed from Tony's Feed and Seed here in Munster, Texas. Here comes our pallet of feed. We have 6 bags of a chick starter and 6 bags of a chicken finisher for these meat birds. We are just about all loaded up and ready to go. Back to Oklahoma. They are a little bit low on water. Still got some, but I'm gonna clean that out and get them some fresh water. I'm doing that. I'll let y'all watch them. They have still got some feed. They're not eating a whole lot yet, but they will be soon. Them little dudes will turn into some incredible eaters. I can already tell that they are growing since we brought them home Wednesday, and this is Sunday. They were born Wednesday, and this is Sunday. Week 1. 52 chicks. The best chicken feeder I have ever owned. All fed and laid out.
So today is April 1st, 2022, and these are our meat birds that we will process on May the 7th. If you guys would like to join us for that processing, which we're going to teach you how it's done, how to preserve them, and more. So there's a fee for this class, but if you would like to join us, please get with us. Either text, private message, email, stop and see us, call us, whatever, however you prefer to reach out to us. You guys just get it done. And if you don't want to come and help process, just come by and say hello that day. Y'all have a blessed day.
We are having a chicken processing workshop here on the farm May the 7th. If you're interested in joining us, please leave your name and contact information in the comments on this video so we can get you registered and hope to see you here. What's going on, y'all? It is finally time to move the meat birds, or our Cornish Cross chickens, out to, I'm trying to get a better view here without the sun killing everything, It's time to move them out to the chicken tractor and get them on some fresh grass for the rest of their days. So y'all come along. I got to catch them there in the brooder and carry them out there, and then I'll show you the pen setup we've got for them. And we'll go from there. I am standing by my front door in my front yard, and right out there past the little guest house is the chicken tractor. So I gotta go get these birds gathered up. Kind of give you the layout here. That's a little guest house we have. There's the big hoop house, which I still need to move all of that compost bins and stuff. And then you come over, you can see the fresh plowed ground between back there in the back. That is our pollinator garden. So we're doing a pollinator garden to try to help support our honeybees. And then there is the little greenhouse. Come on around, we got a raised bed. I've backed the pickup up here so I can get these chicks. They're kind of heavy already, so I didn't want to carry them any further than I had to. Behind the pickup there, you can see the gate to our main pasture. And then on down the hill is the chicken pen. I'm sorry, I was giving you a bad view. Down the hill there is the main chicken pen, but we are going inside the brooder. The brooder's inside this little shed right here. So I am fixing to walk through the gate into the backyard. And I got a little net just in case I need it. Them little dudes can be fast, and I'm not as young as I used to be. Well, come on, go with me. You can't see from out here, so y'all got to come around here to the brooder door and the shed anyhow. I've already got her unlocked, but let's go in here and see if we can catch some chickens. Look at those guys. 3.5 weeks old. They're definitely not needing any heat lamp. They're getting to be pretty good sized birds. So let's see what we can do about catching them. Let me just tell you, setting up a camera so you can get the shot for YouTube, it is not the easiest thing to do, especially when you don't have anywhere to hang it or set it. So you spend extra time. I could have had this done by now probably, but I wanted to make sure that I got it in the video. So let's see about catching some birds now, finally. Well, y'all just fell to the ground. That did not work out. You guys just fell to the ground and it broke my cell phone mount, so I had to go get my backup one. But here we go. Let's try to catch these birds now. I'm trying to catch very many at a time because I want to count them as I catch them. I think I've got 51. This way I can make sure I've got 51. That is 25 birds. So I'm gonna take them out. All right, we have 26 birds in the crate. This is the second load. I didn't bother with filming me catching them. Y'all seen me catch the first 25. So a total of 51 birds are going out to the chicken tractor. First 25 are already out here, and they found the feed. Let me show you my setup right quick. This will have that, if you can tell, there's a lid laying on the back end. It'll go over this half over the feed, keeping the water and stuff like that out of it. You can see I just got a standard bulk feeder, and we're feeding that all natural feed we went to Munster, Texas to get. And over here is my water. So I've got, I don't remember how many of those little nipples around the base of that, but it's quite a few, so several birds can get a drink at once. And I run a float in there about halfway. As you can tell, this chicken tractor is not real heavy built, and there's a reason for that. It's so it moves easy and flexes on uneven ground to help keep the bottom of the tractor flat, or at least against the ground, to protect against varmints. So I've only got a half a bucket of water there with a float, and then I run a line up out of that bucket, out of that float, up here, has a shut off right there, and then I split it and run a line into 2 separate buckets. That gives me 10 gallons of storage up here, and probably 2.5 to 3 gallons of storage down there. So that's quite a bit of water. They go through it when they get older, but right now that'll last a few days. Then I'm gonna back up here and show you. This is a Joel, Joel, Joel Salatin from Polyface Farms. This is his chicken tractor design. The water design is mine. I had to come up with something. Just setting water over in there wasn't doing it, and they was going through 5 gallons too quick when I had 75 birds in here last year. Now this little wheel apparatus on the side, this is the first year for that. I put that in. I'm sorry, the wind is terrible. So what I was trying to say is I put the wheel on the side, and I can push it down, latch it in place, and it lifts up the side of the tractor just a little bit to help move it across the ground. We're running out of daylight pretty quick, so we've got to get these last 26 birds in the chicken tractor. I'm trying to tell you that 26 3.5-week-old birds are a lot heavier than I thought they would be. But we'll get these loaded up and finish up this video. That is the complete setup. I have not had any problems with varmints or anything like that, so we're going to hope that continues this year. 51 healthy Cornish Cross birds on grass for the first day in their life. I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you like what you see on our channel, please consider subscribing and also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the new videos as we upload them. Also, it would help us a lot if you would share our videos on social media. I want to thank you for watching and challenge you to be a blessing for someone next time you have an opportunity. So God bless and good night.